Ever found yourself in a loop, saying, "I'm sorry," but the fight just keeps going? You think you're apologizing, but it feels like you're just adding fuel to the fire. Here's a secret most people miss. A real apology isn't about ending a fight. It's about starting the healing. Many of us apologize to get out of trouble. We say "I'm sorry" hoping it's a magic phrase that will make the tension disappear. But when she's hurt, what she really needs isn't just to hear those words. She needs to feel understood. So, let's break down what a powerful, healing apology actually looks like. The first rule is simple but so hard for many of us: drop the defense. The moment you say, "I'm sorry, but," you've completely undermined your apology. That "but" is an eraser. It says, "I'm not really sorry for what I did, I'm just sorry you're upset about it." It shifts the blame and makes her feel like her emotions are the problem. Instead, try this. Take a deep breath and say, "I can see that what I did hurt you." Notice the difference. You're not making excuses. You're not justifying your actions. You're owning the impact of your behavior. This is crucial. You have to validate her feelings. Phrases like, "It makes sense that you feel that way," or "I understand why my actions caused you pain," show that you're not just trying to escape the conversation. You're actually stepping into her shoes and seeing things from her perspective. Now, words are a great start, but they're only half the equation. The most important part of any apology is what comes next: changed behavior. An apology without action is just manipulation. You can say you're sorry 1,000 times, but if you keep repeating the same mistake, your words become meaningless. Women don't expect you to be perfect. They don't need a flawless, poetic speech. What they truly want is to see consistent effort and growth. They want to know that you're actively working to be a better partner. Forgiveness feels real when it's earned through action, not just begged for with words. Think of it this way: your changed behavior is the proof that your apology was sincere. It shows that you've not only heard her but that you've truly listened and are committed to not causing that same hurt again. So, the next time you need to apologize, don't just aim to say "I'm sorry." Aim to show it. The most powerful apology isn't a phrase you say, it's a promise you keep. It's the silent, consistent message that says, "You won't have to question my effort again." That's how you don't just end a fight. You actually heal the hurt and build a stronger, more connected relationship. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on building better relationships. See you in the next one.